So based on the volatility, it says us buy entry of Bank Nifty is 10,962. We have probability of going up 65%, falling down 35%, stop loss 5905, and these are the targets for the day. So this is what it is suggesting us. So let us save this experiment so that we can cross verify it at the end of the day, and like last time also I'll send you the performance of this analysis. So for that I need to just save this screen. So this is for Bank Nifty. We have done at a time of 9:36. So we have done at a time of 9:36. So I am just saving this experiment. Now same way I will be going for the Nifty. I am not telling anything on the literature part of the Bank Nifty or of the volatility technique. So this one also 6259 and 6249 is the trailing, 6239 is the stop loss, and 73 and 26. So this is the levels for Nifty. So levels for the Nifty. So this also we can save it for our future reference. So now equity segment, couple of stocks I will be taking. Preferably I will be suggesting the same stock of my 3 stocks always I used to take for my example, ICICI, HDFC Bank and State Bank of India. That is to maintain the consistency. I do not have any special affinity towards that stock, but to maintain the consistency of the experiment, whatever the calculations we are doing, if we just stick to a particular group, then we may be getting some so will be, so here it gives some error. So again historic data is not loading set. So this is for equity, this is not for future. So equity, we'll just go to a screen wherein we'll put whatever the experiments we have done, same thing we'll be putting here. Equity, ICICI Bank, ICICI Bank. So this ICICI Bank we have taken 42 it is. Future we have taken 2 counters, future index Bank Nifty, future index Nifty. So Nifty future index and Bank Nifty future index we have taken. So their levels 6259 and 10,962. So preferably people always used to tell me that if say for the Bank Nifty we are near to now 62 level, 59 level we have come, and it is 10,905 is my stop loss. So such a huge stop loss, whether I can take it or not. So I just used to tell them, even though if you are buying at this point of time, and it is better if you do not want to accept that 60 point stop loss, better stick to one small options also. So preferably if you can go for 10,900 will be a outdated option. So you can it will have very higher premium time value component. So your expanded target is 11,126. So it is nothing wrong if you can go for a 11,100 put option. So some amount of intrinsic value will be there. So 50 points here, 150 points is the intrinsic value, and 150 points is the time value we are paying for this option. However, if you go for the 10,900 put option, this will be 10,900 put option if you can focus on. So this is 212, which is having a 212 plus 50, so 260 rupees has a time value. So better if you do not wish to take that stop loss, better be with an option and close the trade once your stop loss triggers. If the stop loss of 10,905 triggers, that time you close this trade with option also, so instead of triggering a 60 point of stop loss, you may have 20 to 30 points, so you can reduce it. So you cannot, without diluting the very principle of this, you can reduce the stop loss for future trades. But if you are in the equity segment, then better stick to those levels, no problem in that. So now equity, you can go for the State Bank of India. So this is, we have done for so this is for the State Bank of India. We are getting equity, two segments we have got it. So this two also we have to save. I think ICICI Bank I have not saved, so let me go back to the ICICI Bank again. ICICI Bank, preferably I have to clear the buffer. So this is to give me a view that, so this is for ICICI Bank also I have saved it. So two equities I have taken, I have taken for this thing. State Bank of India also, let me put this thing also, equity, State Bank of India. So let me summarize this one. This is for Bank Nifty. I think the screen is visible to all of you. So I think the screen is visible to all of you. This is for the Bank Nifty. So this is for the Bank Nifty, and I think the screen is visible to all of you. So here Bank Nifty 10,962, 905 is the stop loss, and whether the screen is visible to all of you or not, the current price itself. So currently whatever the price it is quoting, so Bank Nifty has given us the breakout to buy. So you can think of buying the Nifty. Nifty has given us the breakout to buy. So Nifty has given us the breakout to buy. Bank Nifty also has given us the breakout to buy. So ICICI Bank 1626 is the for State Bank of India, ICICI for 1045. So 1045, ICICI also is given. State Bank of India also is going to give us this thing. So I am going to do a pair trade. As per this decision, I am buying IDBI at 64.2. One lot. I am selling Syndicate Bank at 92.75, 92.75 or 92.65 I can say. I need to do it with an option hedging. So for that I need to add some options of this option, and it is for intraday trade. Option stock Syndicate Bank. So preferably I'll be buying one in the money call option if it is favorable to me and if it is having some liquidity. So bid and offer is having a great difference for 485 and this thing. So I may not get a chance to buy this also. So I'll be going for this also, is having a bid and offer, great difference. So here 95 is the call option. I can just 40 paisa, it is difference is there, so I can have 95 one call option. Let me buy 95 call option at say 2 rupees 80 paisa one lot, because other options are giving me the, so IDBI also, let me see, it is for intraday only. If it doesn't come, I have to come out from this trade. So 63. So let me see for one out, means in the money put option. If it is having bid and offer, it's good, then I can go for. So it is giving 2 rupees 40 paisa, 3 rupees 5 paisa, 62.50, 1 rupee 20, 1 rupee 55. So 62.50 is having out of money. So this is 60 also, 50 paisa, 70 paisa, it is of meaningless. 65 is having near about 1 rupee as a intrinsic value. So rather I can think of buying 62.50 at 1 rupee 55 paisa, or 1 rupee 20 paisa, it is trading 1 rupee 25 paisa. So let me buy 62.50 put option at 1 rupee, say 35 paisa or 40 paisa I am getting it. I'll bid it, let it come whatever the price it is coming. So this is the pair trade I am so today it's 13th Jan 2014. So this is the day we are doing this trade. So though it will be a good pair trade, however it is better to hunt for a pair which is recommended without any option thing. So let me investigate on the ICICI. Some of the pairs we have to take, then we will definitely get one pair where SDFC, ICICI, HDFC Bank, and I will be taking the IndusInd Bank. Let me take. So let me load this data and see intraday analysis. With option hedging, one trade is recommended, other two pairs is not recommended anything. So Kotak Bank, let me put those Kotak Bank and find it out. So here buying the Kotak and selling IndusInd Bank without any option hedging, it is recommended. So correlation is favorable. So that will be the ideal pair. So if you have not initiated for IDVS syndicate, then you exit it. So we'll be getting for Kotak Bank and IndusInd Bank future stock. So it will be a Kotak Bank and Kotak Mahindra and IndusInd Bank future stock. IndusInd Bank. So it is telling us the trades in this order. Buying Kotak Bank and selling IndusInd Bank recommended without option hedging. So this is the thing it is recommending us. So buying the Kotak Mahindra Bank and selling IndusInd Bank, it's recommended without any option hedging. So simply we will be buying Kotak Bank 711 and selling IndusInd Bank at 406 or something it is trading. 408 it is now. 408 now. So now what we have to do, so some used to say that where I can put my stop loss. So IndusInd Bank 417 above its uptrend starts, and here Kotak Bank 717 and its downtrend also 687. So this is for the 10 days estimation. However, keep this parameter as your intraday exit point. If IndusInd Bank touches this 417, you need to come out. Or if the Kotak is touching this 687 also, you have to come out from this trade. So trade value, it is around 4 lakhs and this is also around 3.5 lakhs. 3.5 lakhs and this is also 4 lakhs. So trade value is almost having a 50,000 rupees difference, 50,000 rupees difference, or else it remains same. So it is the pair trade without any option hedging. It is being recommended because correlation is favorable and the beta decoupling suggests that we should buy Kotak Bank and sell IndusInd Bank at this level. So we have just taken it under 7. So this is what we have taken. So this is a pair trade without any option hedging. Let us see what it is going to offer us during the day. So let us take and let us see what it is going to offer us for the day. Now moving to some of the positional also. If we are not going to, always it will not be beneficial that we should get profit in this thing like your intraday pair trades. Sometimes we may have to hold the positions for positional perspective and we need to see that, and its accuracy level also differs. You can say in a intraday pair trade 50 to 50, 50% to 50% accuracy is there, 50% failure and 50% success. So whenever we are going for positional pairs, so its accuracy is quite high. The accuracy percentage goes to 70 to 80% because sometimes it will be taken with the hedging of the options. So sometimes it will be taken with the hedging of the options. So for that reason only it also improves the accuracy. So it also improves the accuracy. So, but as far as these three stocks are concerned, ICICI, IndusInd Bank, so the views are different. Here 3 parameters are suggesting to buy ICICI Bank, 1 parameter suggesting IndusInd Bank. Here 2 parameters are for IndusInd and 2 for Kotak. Here 3 for ICICI, 1 for Kotak. So this is a view is divided. Henceforth, I will be ignoring these pairs. Rather, I can go for the index with Bank Nifty. I can simulate some of the pairs. So, like I have taken for Bank Nifty. Let me go for the ICICI. Same ICICI I will be taking for. Let me go for the State Bank of India. State Bank of India. So let me go for this pair. Positional analysis. Bank Nifty SBI. It is saying that State Bank of India need to be bought and Bank Nifty need to be sold. Recommended with option hedging. State Bank of India need to be bought, and many of my book readers, seminarians, they are consistently following this pair alone, buying SBI and selling Bank Nifty is recommended with option hedging. With option hedging. So you must say that what option I should hedge it here. So we have sold this one, we have bought this one. So once we are buying, the plain thing what we can do is to option, suppose option index already I have added, option stock, let me add it something. So State Bank of India I am buying. So better if I can just have a in the money options in my basket, so which will have a lesser time value. 25 rupees is the intrinsic value and another near about 25.4 and 5 as 3, some 30 rupees as the time value. It is there. So I can think in this term. So buying 1650 put option along with, if I can buy say 10,800 call option. Call option, some in the money, nearest in the money. So it is 1650 put option and with the 10,800 call option, it will be having 153 rupees as its intrinsic value. So it is 360, so 150 rupees as the, so 316, and here also you can say at 59 we are getting. So SBI we are getting at, I am taking 1623 level and selling Bank Nifty at 10,956 level. So this is what we are doing in the simplest way. Many other ways we can able to do. So many other ways we can do. I can take a reverse also. How? So for that, just simple investigations you do. Simple investigations you do. So that is with the options. With the options. So I'll go back to the option strategy. Same thing, I'll just do it in a different way. So I am going for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, I am just loading the data here. Bank Nifty, as per my pair, I have, because this is required for simplifying my experiment. So suppose if I have sold this one, so buying a call option, and I have bought 10,800 call option, buying one lot. So this is what I have done. So 10 days my projected period. I am going for the Greek scanner here. Instead of buying this one, what I'll be doing a reverse. Reverse means I'll be buying the Bank Nifty instead of this one, 10,956, and I'll be buying put option multiple lots. I have bought it, so multiple lots to keep delta 0. So better look into the, so here look into the options which look into the put option which has near 0.25 negative, near minus 0.25 delta. So I did a Greek scanner. So 0.25 delta means I am getting 10,600. So 96 rupees. This is there. So 0.25, near to 0.25. So here what I am doing, instead of going for this strategy, I'll be buying this one lot, and I am buying some put option of 10,600 4 lots to keep the delta. So calculate. So my net Greek analysis, I'll be little positive here. So 0.23, 0.23, 0.23, 0.23 negatives are there. So that is adding to. So here Greek scanner, if you go for 10,600, it is having 0.2387 is the delta. 4 lots you are taking, and this is having a positive 1 delta future. So like this way we are just going for 10,600. This is also a way to do the pattern in a different mechanism. So buying a put option 4 lots. So this is what we have done, changed this thing. Same way we will be selling the State Bank of India, and we will be taking some call option. So previously what we have done, previously we have bought the future and bought a put option. Suppose little complex if you make it. Why we are making that kind of thing also, I'll tell you. Stock future I have gone for State Bank of India, and I am just loading this data. This I am demonstrating with our option strategy software. So here we have to buy. Previously what we did, we bought one and we bought a put option, 1650 put option we also bought. This is the easiest way we have done, and our assumption is maximum 10 days we will be making it, holding it. So this is the Greek scanner I have used. So what I am going to do it here, instead of buying, I am selling it, and I am just going to see for a call option which is having a 0.25, near 0.25 Hz. So here it is the 0.3, it is 0.8. So nothing wrong if I can go for 1700 call option, 29 66, some 3 lots if I am going for 33 to 3.5 lots. So if I can do in this order, selling SBI at, so 1625 level buying reference, and buying 1700 call option 3 lots at say 1700 call option 17 call option of 1700, so 20 rupees it is quoting at 20. So this also another way of initiating the same pair trade. So this is easiest way to have a put option and call option, two trades. It is better. This is with the Greek neutral approach, with the delta neutral approach. So this kind of things is highly, or this second approach is highly beneficial when you are in a high volatile trajectory. Volatile range means if both the counters are having a volatility in annual terms more than 40%, then the second approach is more rewarding than the first approach. This is good for medium volatile range. Medium volatile condition, this is more promising. This is high volatile condition, this is more promising. So one thing also is for the low volatile condition. So low volatile condition, we will be taking the same thing here, buying the State Bank of India and selling the Bank Nifty. However, we will just do something different here. So medium volatility means both the counters will be having a volatility. So here if you just see Bank Nifty 26%, this is 31, and SBI 26. So all three are the medium volatile condition. So if it is a low volatile condition, say less than 20, all are trading. So or near 20, 21, 22 also it is a low only. You can say just 1 or 2 points it is above, but this is 20 above, 40 below. So it is a clear case of medium volatile condition. If there is a low volatile condition, then what you need to do here, little bit of changes you have to bring it here. So 1566 is low trend, this is 10,600 is here. So what I have to do here, if it is a low, then for Bank Nifty, I will sell 10,600 put option at say 96, and then I will buy then I will buy the 11,075, so 11,100 call option. 11,100 call option. This I will be buying for Bank Nifty. And same time for State Bank of India, I have bought it. So State Bank of India, where it is, where its trend points are sitting, low is 1566, high is 1638. So for State Bank of India, what I will be doing, for SBI, I bought it, sell 1650 call option. Then I will be buying the 1566, so 1550 put option. So each one lot. So this is for the low volatile market. So we are expecting that the prices will never move in a broad range. So for that reason only we are selling some options, buying some options. By that process we are balancing it and we are making some amount of profit out of that. So this is what we can do for, so ICICI Bank given you excellent profit in the ICICI Bank equity, has given you very good profit. ICICI Bank, so this is already going to trigger the stop loss for the State Bank of India. ICICI Bank has given you great profit here. So I'll go back to, during this session itself it has given you that, awarded you that profit. So ICICI ICICI 45, 51, so target 2 also crossed, target 3 is 52, so 52 target 3 has come, so those who are bought into, they can think of booking the profit in ICICI Bank. So this is what on ICICI Bank. So and so here, so 311 you have taken, 9 2 as 5,000 rupees loss, 7 and odd you have made it. Now it is 6, so 1,000 rupees profit. Kotak and IndusInd Bank is having no profit, no loss. Bank Nifty and Nifty neither triggered the stop loss. SBI rather triggered the stop loss. 25 level we have entered, 28 it has touched, but then after it has slipped and it has triggered the stop loss now for the State Bank of India, 18.15, 18 rupees 15. So if you think of, you can just try to reverse the trade, or else you can quit that trade. So, and State Bank of India, third target we have achieved, 52.65 it has touched, third target we have achieved. Bank Nifty, with an option we have, so you can hold on to this position. Nifty also has not given us the stop loss. However, till 66 it has touched after making this one. So only first target it has given. It is not beneficial also. 4 to 5 points we may not make any money. However, ICICI Bank has given us a success. Let us see for whatever the other things, other counters.